Hello, and welcome to another How to Voicemod video. We are going to explore one of the most powerful tools in Voicemod, the VoiceLab. Once we click on it, it's going to ask us to activate the Hear Myself switch in order to be able to hear what each effect is doing to our voice. At first sight, we can see some switches associated with the different effects available. Notice that by entering this window, we are automatically creating a new voice. Let's name it by clicking this square icon in the top right. You can also assign a custom image to your voice by clicking the orange circle below the name. The first effect on our list is delay. As the name implies, this effect introduces a space of time between the voice and the audio output and repeats it like an echo. The fade-out slider controls how fast the echo will go away, and the time slider affects the frequency of the effect. Moving on to the Vocoder Effect. This will mathematically combine your voice together with an existing sound to create a whole new voice. You have a lot of effects to choose from. Just to demonstrate a few, here is Dead Chorus, here is Electrolytes, and here is Trollify. The wah-wah effect alters the treble frequencies of your voice, making it sound like a wah sound. The frequency slider lets you alter how much the effect will repeat itself over time. The reverb effect emulates how your voice would sound in different sized spaces. You can change the size of the emulated space with the room size slider. The pitch effect allows
you to alter the degree of highness or lowness
of your voice. The double pitch switch does the same as the pitch effect,
but applies the effect a second time to a copy of your voice.
The flanger effect creates several clones of your voice and overlays them on top with a small delay, creating a swoosh effect. The chorus creates clones of your voice, but it modifies its frequency so it sounds like there are several voices talking at the same time. High pass filters out the frequencies that are lower than the selected range. Low pass filters out all the frequencies that are higher than the selected range. Tremolo creates a vibration effect by frequently varying the amplitude of your voice. The stereo effect applies a slight delay to the left or the right channel to create a sense of space. The equalizer alters the low, mid, or high channels of your voice to customize it. Here is a test with an equalized microphone. The true potential of the VoiceLab comes when you combine
several of these effects to create a completely different voice.
This concludes our VoiceLab demonstration video. We hope that you enjoy Voicemod as much as we do. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one and hit the notification bell to get oven-fresh content every week. We also have a Discord channel where you can engage with individuals like you and share your voice creations.
Voicemod